Hey guys, it's been a minute since we've kind of videoed or really done much. We haven't had the cars to work on. It is the day after Thanksgiving today, and no, it's not. It's Saturday after Thanksgiving now. All the days run together. And T and I are on our way. Where are we on our way to?
Pick up chassis from soda blasting and powder coating.
Yeah, soda blasting and powder coating. We are on our way to pick the truck chassis up from powder coating. So once we get there, we will we'll video and take some pictures there. The Firebird was dropped off the other day. I don't think you videoed or did anything with that, did you?
No, it was just a quick.
We dropped that off at Larry's for a parachute installation.
Yeah, parachute installation and moving the seat a little bit.
And moving the seat a little bit. Putting a parachute on it because Tyler's going to run it too. And the seat needed adjusted just a little bit. So we've got that over there. So the truck will be coming home and they'll be able to get rolling on it.
Start putting it all back together.
Start putting it all back together and
stages of powder coating on, figure out all the colors. Us, Jim Sue, and me and you figured out all the colors that we want. But we got the first stage done, and then the second stage is in the back to drop off. So, and then we'll have another stage and another stage. So, quite a bit of parts on it.
Yes, a lot of stages. But we thought we'd check in and let everyone know what's going on at the Greenhorn Hillbilly compound. Jim and Sue left for the winter. They are down south for this winter. One winter in Ohio was enough for them. So we will keep you all posted and hope you guys stick with us and
have a lot of content.
Yeah, we'll have a lot of content coming, and once spring rolls around, we'll have a lot more racing, a lot of different racing with the Firebird and Super Stock and
Possum and no prep.
The Possum and no prep and small tire. So we are excited for 2024 and hope you guys stick with us. And thanks to everyone that has been sticking with us, and anyone new or hasn't already, hit that subscribe button. That helps us out. Subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff.
And get things going good.
Yep, and we'll be posting a little bit more and more here and there, and then once they start working on the truck more consistently, once we get everything home and parts home, we'll keep moving from there. Thanks, everyone.
That'll help me at home. Find videos first. Well, hold on. Now, because I can lift the nose with this thing, I lift the nose. Yeah, if you could, the other way would help. Yeah.
That was nerve-wracking to me. That's why I stay home and don't come to things like this. Beautiful. Hey, what am I doing? You need a jack?
Yeah, one jack to chop her up.
Where are all the jacks?
Over here on the side.
Huh?
Grab a small jack. Over here, right behind you. All right. Come on. What's that? Kind of push it that way. Good when you get around the back. No. Right there, you can always adjust it. Yeah, while you're here, I'll have you put it on jack stands. It's easier when I got help.
And she's home.
Do a little walk around, got it in here on the jack stands, the Possum. Man, it just come out good, powder coating. You really can't tell. It's got like a pearl cast to it. But it come out really good. Fits the Possum thing really good. Theme good. So, but yeah, it looks really, really good. Comes out really nice. Sodium coating of Ohio. Did a great job on it. If I'm saying that right, I gotta look for sure, but firewall and everything, I mean, just really come out good. But like I said, it's got like a pearl to it. Almost. It's got a little bit of like a blue cast pearl on it. It just really changes color and looks really nice. I mean, this thing is just going to be really, really nice when it's all done. So Larry Houck at Houck Performance Fab has just killed it. I mean, just done a really good job. Tubes coming through for the oil canister, coming through the frame. It's got 10 soldiers 4-link. We can go long or short. The other part's still with the powder coating. Larry's deal. We'll paint it purple inside since it's his colors. CSJ, Cameron Johnson's Winnet kit on it. This thing just, I mean, really, really, really come out good. Larry's got a lot of hours in it and should work really, really well. So, gonna be a great small tire car. So, let's a little walk around here in the garage. Out here working on it today just a little bit. So, getting ready to really get started on it this week. Got to get the rear end and the dry shaft enclosure to powder coating. It's getting a few different colors, and then get the parts organized here for the truck. Got the A-arms. There's the puke tank. Just like I said, some of the parts, got to get it done yet. Fuel cell. There's the dash for it. But got a lot of stuff going on, but it's going to start coming together, looking good. So just thought I'd do a little video for you guys here. Thanks for watching.